Hi guys, how's it going? I'm back with another video. We're gonna draw a silly looking owl. It's gonna have a hat and a bow tie and some shoes and just really goofy looking. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you wanna do is use a pencil or something to draw with. I'm gonna use a Sharpie. I like when my lines are super black and bold. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're gonna do is for your owl, we're gonna start by drawing the hat. So let's go ahead and draw a curved line right on your paper. And go ahead and draw an upside down letter U or a curved line right here. And then I'm just gonna fill this line in a little bit with my black Sharpie. And let's go ahead and draw a curved line right over here. And let's add a silly little looking flower up here. So I just used the curved line, and then we're just going in and drawing curved lines all the way around, just like that. So now we're done with the hat. So let's go on to the body. We're gonna start with the head. We're gonna draw a curved line here. And a little line right there. Go back, so it kind of looks like a little feather. And then go back again and do the same thing, curved line, curved line. Add a little line coming out. Now we're drawing the face here. So I'm gonna start by so we're gonna go to this side and we're gonna draw using a curved or bumpy line. So go ahead and finish the face by drawing a curved line, go all the way down. We're actually gonna stop here because this is where the bow tie is gonna go. So pick this back up over here, curved line, and then a line right here. Let's go ahead and draw the bow tie first. Draw a circle. And for the sides of the bow tie, you want to kind of connect it to your drawing line here and here. So it would look something like this. And these are just two triangular shapes that I used. Go ahead and add some lines in the center. There's our cute face. Okay, now let's go in and draw a smile. Add a little curved line to both sides. Bet you're wondering what the face is going to look like. Now we're going to go in right here in the center and add a little beak. So I'm going to draw an upside down V and then two lines coming down. When you're ready, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. We're going to draw a curved line to start right here. And then we're going to draw another curved line down here. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. It's okay if they don't match exactly. See, mine doesn't match exactly. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw another curved line and another curved line for the lid. And I'm actually going to go in and make the lid a little thicker. Actually, these are more like the lashes that are coming out. So let's go in and put some lashes in for our owl, and then we're actually going to make him thicker. So it kind of looks like she's wearing eyeliner. Now go inside and draw a circle and a little dot on the inside. Cute. Now go ahead and draw little lashes over here and 3 little lashes on the other side. I'm going to go in and add a little feather over here. When you're ready, let's go on to the body. We're going to start by drawing, let's start by drawing the wing. So from right over here, you're going to draw a curved line. And a curved line right here. Now let's draw the wing. We're going to continue drawing curved lines, just like that. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. We're going to draw a curved line here. And then curved line right here. Curved line, curved line, curved line. Start drawing the feathers. He looks really silly. And then let's finish up the body by drawing a wavy line down here. Now what I want to do is go back in and add little bumpy lines for texture. So it'll make it look like, you know, there's feathers all over the bird. So let's go in and draw just a little U shape all over the body. You can add some in the center here, on the belly. So cute. And then what I want to do is I'm going to draw little ovals here. I'm just adding texture and decorating it. When you're happy with that, you can go ahead and draw, we're going to draw the feet. So let's go ahead and draw 2 lines coming down. And I'm going to kind of make them thicker. Just like that. And let's go ahead and draw, he's going to be wearing boots. I'm sorry, it's a she. She's going to be wearing boots. Curved line here, curved line here, curved line, curved line, and then a straight line at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and draw the tail. That's the last thing we're going to do. So I'm just going to draw, you know what, I'm going to add a little feather here, and I'm going to start my tail down here, feather tail, draw a little curved line, another curved line right here, curved line, we're going to go back up, go back down, go back up, go back down, and then you're going to connect it all the way to the bird's body. Now the last thing we're going to do is just add some little lines here for the feather tail. And then just kind of go in and see if you want to add any more feathers on the belly, wherever else you want to add some lines. And then what I did was I took my Sharpie and I'm just going to add these diagonal lines all over the feathers. Just to give it a little shading. and more texture. And there you have it. There's our cute little friend. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. I will be back with the colored version of this, of course. Hi guys! As you can see, I came back and I colored it in. I used Copic markers. You guys can use whatever you have at home. You can use colored pencils or any kind of markers you have at home. I like working with markers because they're quick, easy, and I don't know, they look really nice. So go ahead and color yours in, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye-bye.